Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the system is depressurized and wearing safety gear. Once done, locate the Quick Connect fitting and visually find the release tab or spring collar. You slide the tool onto the fuel line until it seats against the fitting shoulder. This compresses the retaining clip so the connector can disengage. Make sure to keep your free hand ready to support the line. Then, while holding the tool, pull the connector straight off to avoid bending or damaging the joint. You now compress the collar or press the release tab fully with the tool. This releases the internal clip. Once the clip is freed, make a steady, straight pull to separate the halves. Do not twist, which can shear plastic or distort O-rings. You'll feel a light snap when it disengages. Afterwards, quickly plug or cap the open ports to prevent contamination. Also inspect O-rings and sealing surfaces for cracks or debris. Replace seals if they show wear to ensure a leak-free reconnection. You prepare for reconnection by lightly lubricating O-rings with approved grease. This eases seating and prevents pinching. Then align the male and female ends and push straight in until you hear or feel a firm click. This confirms engagement. Once connected, tug gently to verify it's secure and restore system pressure slowly while watching for leaks. If you see a leak, depressurize, separate, and inspect the O-ring for cuts or debris. Replace the seal or an.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.